What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to take a look at another beard oil. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, and some beard product reviews. So what we're going to talk about today is Artius Man. Alright, so I picked up the samples. You can pick up samples. You can pay $5 a bottle for these 5 milliliter bottles, or you can get them for free. They have a promo code on their website where you can get 2 of these sample 5 milliliter bottles, and all you pay is shipping. So that's what I did. There was a lot of different reviews and a lot of people talking about it, so I wanted to try it out. So I tried out Black Coffee and Mountain Air. Alright, so we're going to go over each of these. Now, the ingredients are very similar in both of them. Both of them have castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, jojoba seed oil, shea seed oil, argan kernel oil, marula seed oil, baobab seed oil. I know I butchered that. Somebody correct me in the comments. Vitamin E. Mountain Air has cedarwood, patchouli, cypress, and spearmint. And Black Coffee, just their website list essential oils. Now with these sample bottles, it does not list their ingredients. It just has their logo with the their label with the scent on it and their website with the dropper top and the green glass signature green bottles. So, but when you do the samples, you have 16 cents to choose from. And you can pick 2 of them and get them only pay shipping, which is like $3.95 if you're in the US. So, what do they look like and what do they smell like? Black Coffee is a yellow color. Both of these are a medium to thick consistency. And Mountain Air is a clear. You can definitely see the color difference in the two. With the coffee, it smells like a fresh pot of black coffee. There's no other way to put it. If you like coffee, whether you like to drink it, you like to smell it, you need this. That is a really good, that's my first coffee scented beard oil, and I thoroughly enjoy it. Now the other one, the Mountain Air, out the bottle, I get eucalyptus. That's what I smell. Now that's fresh out the bottle. When I apply some heat, rub it in my hands, put it in my beard, I get spearmint. I get just a fresh, clean scent. I love Mountain Air. I will be buying a full bottle of it. If you can tell, I don't know if you can see with the light, there's about maybe that much in there left. So highly recommend both of these. If these are scents that you like, if you like the smell of coffee, you will dig this one. If you like just a fresh, clean smell of like spearmint and minty, their website has a little bit of pine. I don't get the pine, I get the eucalyptus, I get the spearmint. I get a clean, just fresh smell. Mountain Air is definitely going to be my go-to. I'm going to be buying a full bottle of that in the very near future. I actually have Black Coffee in right now. So we'll show. That is the consistency. It is thick and it smells so good. if I could only choose one of these two to buy a full bottle of, I would probably go with the Mountain Air. I like both of them, but I would probably go with the Mountain Air. To me, it's just a cleaner, fresher. You can wear it anytime. Coffee, to me, it really is a good morning scent, just to kind of help get you woke up and help wake you up and get you going. All right, guys, that is it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you've tried Artius Man and if you have tried these two scents. All right. So if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.